Welcome to the SolidCAM University channel. This video's topic is clear offset when using 2D iMachining. So if you've seen some of the previous videos regarding the profile operation, you'll be familiar with the option of clear offset. Essentially what that is using an open chain or a single piece of geometry that does not have any stock definition, and you basically just tell it how much from that profile you have material left that you want to machine. So this is something other than a pocket. If you haven't seen that, I would refer you to the introductory videos on profile and the KevCam video on profile. So the clear offset is usually something that people think of for profile, but this video's topic is actually on how to do a clear offset in 2D iMachining. And again, 2D iMachining is usually a pocketing operation. So if you haven't seen that, check out the video on 2D iMachining and the KevCam video on 2D iMachining. But what I want to show you here is how you could use the clear offset method in 2D iMachining. So I'll just set up a quick 2D iMachining right here. So add milling operation, 2D iMachining. And normally by default, we have this option here under material boundary called in geometry, meaning that if we have a closed chain, it defines it as a complete pocket. But most people skim over this because they don't even think about using the clear offset method in 2D iMachining. So that's what I'm about to show you. So if I go to my part, and let's say I just want to finish this edge right here. Let's just choose all this geometry right here, assuming, let's say, that these two flush edges come to a point, and we just need to kind of trim that kind of corner there. As you see, this is in open geometry, so it's not a closed pocket. So as soon as I click OK to accept this geometry, 2D iMachining defaults to that defined offset, and that essentially is your clear offset. It's adding about a 1/4 inch material off of that contour, so that's just a parallel offset. The rest of this programs the same way you would a regular 2D iMachining. It's just now it'll operate almost like a clear offset in parallel. So I'll just continue to go through this and just set up my levels like I normally would with a 2D iMachining. Put this up to level 8. And technology, I'll leave the 5 thou on the walls of the floor. So everything programmed exactly the same, except this is not a pocket. So when I generate the toolpath, it now operates like a clear offset in a parallel. So that 1/4 inch material, it did its usual iMachining style step over and back and forth. It is now retracting back and forth because, again, it's not a complete pocket, but it is still using the iMachining algorithm to do a clear offset method. This is only for open chains. So if you do the mistake of open chain and you meant to do a closed pocket, this is usually the indicator that the chain is incorrect. If you're looking to do the clear offset method, then the only option you'll have with an open chain is this one here. Any further questions, you can always check the rest of the videos on the YouTube channel or give us a call at 1-866-975-1115, extension 2, or submit a ticket with your questions as well, and we can address those in that manner as well. Thanks for watching.